We'll guide you through how to use CodePen IO to create and share your web development projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CodePen IO website on your desktop browser. Once you're there, you'll want to either sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Having an account allows you to save your work and access additional features. After you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with an option to start a new pen. Click on Create to open a new editing window. Here, you'll notice three main panels: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can start coding directly into these panels. As you type, CodePen automatically renders your code in the preview pane below, so you can see real-time updates of your work. If you want to include external libraries, you can click on the settings icon in each panel and add libraries like jQuery or React under the Add External Scripts section. This is especially useful if your project requires more than just vanilla JavaScript or CSS. Once you've completed your project, you can save it by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. You can also change the title of your pen here for better organization. If you want to share your work with others, use the Share button to grab a link that you can send to friends or colleagues. You can even embed your pen on a website or blog using the provided embed code. For those who want to showcase their work or gather feedback, sharing is a great option. Don't forget to explore the Explore section to see other developers' projects and get inspiration, or even fork their projects to build upon them. CodePen also offers a community where you can interact with other developers and exchange ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.